Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again today. I got a unboxing here for you of the Roku wireless subwoofer. Before we get into that, I just wanted to give a quick update on my surgery and how I'm doing. So I had a cornea transplant and cataract removal surgery on January 12th. So it's been just about a month. It'll be a month on Friday, and recovery is going well. I am feeling great. I'm almost 100%, at least physically, as far as the recovery is going. But there is still some improvement to be made with my vision recovery, and that will occur over the next few months as my eye heals up more and I am fitted with glasses. So I think that we will consider the surgery a success. So I'm excited about that, and stay tuned for more updates on that. Enough of that. Let's get into this unboxing. So this is the Roku wireless subwoofer, and my knife just fell apart, so I'm going to be careful here. I guess not really a rousing endorsement for that knife, but it's been a good one. I just use it a lot, all right? So I think this is going to, yeah, it's going to open up this way, so I'm going to turn it around. Here it is. Now, I didn't really get this necessarily to use it permanently. It's more for review sake. And you have your manual here. It's very thin. These seem as though they're fairly easy to connect, and so a large manual is not needed in that case. And here it is inside, more wrapping. Cardboard cut me. We'll get it out of here. Let's see, is there anything else? Oh yes, power cord. Really? You don't need that much more because everything is done wirelessly. So this isn't going to have any kind of analog or digital connection to it. It is just going to work only in the Roku ecosystem. And from what I understand, it actually only works with the Roku TVs. All right, so here it is. Take it apart here, and part of this is so that I can put it back together when I have to return it. But yeah, I just got this for review. I want to see what it's all about. I can tell right now that it is a pretty small subwoofer. But if it is a simple, straightforward, and decent solution to augment the sound of your Roku, and all right, so first thing I'm seeing is here's your subwoofer down there. I think they're going to call it an 8-inch, barely an 8-inch. So it's going to be down firing. I see no other ports or connections or anything on it except for underneath here. Not unlike the speakers I've seen, they slot for your power cord and a power cord terminal, as well as, I think, is there, yeah, a couple of operational buttons, I do believe, down here. Yep, that's a button, probably a pairing or reset button. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Also check out my Patreon. That's linked down below. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.